Why is my toddler not speaking? Is this normal? What should I do if my toddler's not speaking?
Ever wonder why some toddlers talk later than others? It's a common question and one that can cause a lot of stress for parents. Late talking, in the simplest terms, refers to children who are not meeting the typical language milestones by certain ages. But it's crucial to remember that every child develops at their own pace. Late talking doesn't necessarily signify a larger problem. Children who are late talkers are often just taking their time to absorb and process language. They're like little sponges, soaking up everything around them. It might seem as though they're not making progress, but often they're learning and growing in ways that aren't immediately apparent. It's important to approach late talking with understanding and patience. There are plenty of strategies that can help your toddler find their voice and start talking when they're ready. So, what can you do if your toddler is a late talker? Let's dive in. You may feel concerned if your toddler isn't talking as much as their peers, but there are plenty of strategies you can use to encourage their speech. First and foremost, give your child plenty of opportunities to talk. Engage them in interactive activities that allow them to express themselves. You could play a game of I Spy or simply ask them about their day. Remember, it's not about getting the right answer, it's about encouraging them to communicate. Secondly, use simple language. While it's tempting to teach your toddler complex words, it's crucial to start with basics. Use short, simple sentences and repeat them often. This repetition will help your toddler familiarize with the words and eventually use them. Next, make talking fun. Incorporate language into playtime. Use toys, books, and everyday objects to spark conversations. You might be surprised how a simple toy car can lead to a vibrant discussion about colors, shapes, and movements. Don't forget to repeat words. Consistent repetition is key in language acquisition. If your toddler says ball, you can respond with, "Yes, that's a big red ball." This not only validates their effort, but also introduces them to new words and concepts. Lastly, be patient and supportive. Every child develops at their own pace. Celebrate small victories and let them know you're proud of their progress. Remember, pressure can hinder speech development. Instead, create a positive and supportive environment for your child. With these strategies, you can help your toddler find their voice and express themselves more effectively. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've explored the concept of late talking in toddlers and underlined that it's not always a cause for concern. We've also shared some handy tips for parents to gently stimulate their child's speech, like creating opportunities for your toddler to speak and responding positively when they do. Remember, every child develops at their own pace, and these tips are here to support, not rush your child's speech development. Stay patient, keep encouraging them, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of watching your child discover the world of words.